Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how you can change your last name on the LinkedIn app when using it on your PC, following the latest update. If you've recently gotten married, changed your legal name, or simply want to update your profile for any reason, this guide will show you every step clearly so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon, which represents your personal profile. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu with different options related to your account. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you manage most of your account-related information. Inside this section, you'll find multiple categories, but the one we're interested in is called Account Preferences. Go ahead and click on that to continue. Next, under Account Preferences, you'll see an option labeled Profile Information. Within that, select Name, Location, and Industry. This is the area where you can make any changes to your profile's basic details, including your first and last name. Now, look specifically under Last Name. This is where you can directly type in the new last name you want to display on your profile. Take a moment to enter your updated name carefully, ensuring it's spelled exactly the way you'd like it to appear. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll down and click the Save button. LinkedIn will confirm your update, and your profile will now reflect your new last name across the platform. It's really that simple. Just a quick recap. Open the LinkedIn app, click the Me icon, head into Settings and Privacy, then Account Preferences, select Profile Information, choose Name, Location, and Industry, update your last name, and finally, save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully updated your last name on LinkedIn using the PC app.